So I got this video to put in this very tight space between my table and window. It fits really well. It was very easy to put together, although 2 people would have been better. It was a little difficult for me for 1 person, but it's exactly as described. It was packaged well. All the pieces were there. There were additional bolts and screws. It was not scratched. The stain is consistent. The metal looks good. All in all, I'd recommend. I really like it. This works. All good.